Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open Google application, then tap on the camera icon here, open camera, allow, and now let's try to scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as my camera spots this QR code, it shows me the page which is being encoded here, so we can tap search and, for example, open the website and see what's being encoded to this QR code here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.